Right. Good morning, everyone. All are able to hear me? Yeah. Today is second class of our course, Core Java. Any of you are newly joined today? Any of you joined today newly? Okay. Okay. No problem. Yesterday, whatever the class happened, it's already recorded on YouTube. After class completed, you can watch that class. Go to go to Naresh IT. I'll give you the link. Now go to videos. I'll give you the link. I'm just clicking. Yesterday, we have recorded and streamed on YouTube. You can happily watch that class. So here you have Core Java batch demo class 1. So it's taken 1 hour 46 minutes. Click on this video. Now I'm sharing this to all the people. Whoever missed yesterday class, please watch. Please watch this video after class, not now. Okay, not now, after class. Okay, so completely details I have given. Yesterday, what I explained. Yesterday, I have explained you course name. All people join for Core Java, but it is not Core Java. I'm not only teach Core Java, I'll teach you Core Java with project development. Okay, Core Java with project development. So this is the first point. Just I'm quickly revising for the new students. Then, second, we discussed what is our target. What is our target? Our target is not becoming Java student. Okay, our target is not becoming Java student. Our target is becoming software engineer. Okay, our target is becoming software engineer. Why? After course completed, you are going to company, not to any college to write any university exam. You are going to company interview. In a company, you have to develop projects. To develop projects, what type of thoughts you need to develop? Software engineer thoughts you have to develop. Okay, that is a target. The next duration of this course. Okay, yesterday some people are trying to disturb you. Okay, in the YouTube live, in a comment section, some people trying to disturb you because right, this is a competition world. So to pull the people to no voice. Okay, please rejoin. If voice is not coming, please rejoin. Okay, if screen and voice is not coming, please rejoin. Please rejoin. Okay, some people are telling their voice is not coming. Please rejoin so that you will get clear voice. Whenever voice is missing, just rejoin. Then now some people are trying to confuse you in the YouTube live, comment live, chat live. It's a competition world. People are trying to pull you down. People are trying to not to enter it into my room. Okay, they wanted to stop you enter so that they'll feel more happy now. How much make a competitor fail, the people are that much happy, right? So in that process they are confuse you. He will take 6 months. Yes, I will take 6 months. Openly I'm telling na, I'll take 6 months. Why I'll take 6 months? Why I'll take 6 months? Because I want to make you software engineer. Okay, if it is an offline class, okay, if you teach, if I take offline class, it is taking 6 months because there are no pre-recorded videos. I never work on YouTube because I want to work only for the students who are coming to class. Now I got a chance to work on YouTube, so I am trying to record the classes which are I'm teaching, some chapters which you can easily understand. Those topics I am trying to record, make them available in the YouTube, so that Sundays will be free na. Sundays will be free na. The small 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, small chapters you are going to learn in Sundays, and we can complete the syllabus very fast. So maximum I am taking 3 months. So now 3 months of the course I am decreasing, but syllabus not changing. Syllabus is increasing. Okay, syllabus is increasing. How can I save the time? By pre-recorded videos. I will share you those pre-recorded videos, how I have shared it today. Okay, YouTube private videos I will share you, and you can happily watch them. Those are not public videos, they are private videos. All are catching my point? We are making those private. Only the students who join in this class, for those students, those videos will be shared in maximum 3 months. And then I have given you time slot. What is that? October 6th is our last date, end date. Clearly given end date also. End date of our batch, October 6th. October 6th, we are closing our batch. Okay, closing means not closing, right? With the full knowledge. Okay, so course name is Core Java with project development, and target is becoming software engineer. Duration 3 months. End date is October 6th. I am trying to close. I'll try to complete the syllabus. Next, come to the fee. What is the fees of this course? Some students are asking. Fee is 2,500. Okay, 2,500 only. Why I'm using the word only? Really only. Then what it includes? Okay, this course includes what? Okay, the course what I am trying to teach, it's a beyond 2,500. Okay, it's a beyond 2,500. It includes Java basics, Java language fundamentals. Java language fundamentals. It includes Java language fundamentals. Number one, I want write it includes number one, Java language fundamentals. Okay, and then next, it includes second, it includes Java based, okay, object oriented programming. Object oriented programming. Yes will not be there. Okay, yes if you write that is wrong. So yes if it is wrong. Okay, Java object oriented programming using Java. You have to pronounce it as a whoop. There is no whoops. Okay, object oriented programming using Java will be covered. Object oriented programming using Java will be covered. The next, logical programming will be covered. Nowadays logical programming is giving more weightage. Logical programming will be covered. It's giving lot of weightage now in the interviews. Logical programming complete depth. Okay, we are going to learn 500 plus programming we are going to learn. And fourth one I am going to take okay, right. So now logical programming I am going to cover, and following by Java library. Java library is called what? API. I don't want to use the word called library because Java is a technology. Technology point of view, we use the word called what? API. API stands for application programming interface. So it's nothing but library only, nothing more. It's nothing but library only. Okay, it's nothing but library only. So Java library, and different IDs we are learning. Okay, what the different IDs we are learning? Okay, IDs we am going to teach. Java library and IDs. IDs I'm going to teach Eclipse, IntelliJ, and then NetBeans. So these are the guaranteedly teaching 3 IDs. Okay, I'm going to teach these 3 IDs plus some more if that time there, then we will cover. Okay, and the next fifth one, I'm going to teach you Java based project, final project, because our course is itself is what? Project na. Okay, so Java final project, I'll teach you 2 projects, standalone project, standalone application, and web application. Standalone application, web application, 2 projects we will try to complete by end of the course. Tell me, by the time our course is completed, okay, my target, your target is becoming software engineer, but my target, my promise is, I say, my promise, okay, I'll make you 3 things: compiler, comma, JVM, comma, project developer. Compiler, JVM, project developer. So what the meaning of compiler JVM? I don't understand. Okay. Compiler is part of Java software. Compiler is a part of Java software. JVM is part of Java software. Okay. Compiler is part of Java software. JVM is part of Java software. When you develop a program, that program is compiled by the software called compiler, verifies have you written any wrong syntaxes. If any wrong syntaxes are there, then compiler software will throw error to you. Then further, if all errors are solved, then JVM software will come into picture and it will execute your Java programs. Okay, execute your Java programs and give you output. Tell me, if you are in your system working, in your system, if you are working, then compiler there in your system, it will take care of syntax mistake. JVM, it will be there in your system, it will take care of executing and giving you output. But now you are in the written test exam. Okay, you are in the written test exam. Polo, in written test exam, can you ask the written test exam one question given to you? Okay, one question given to you. Tell me. Now to find output of this question, will you ask the interviewer, hey interviewer, please give me Java software. Okay, please give me Java software. Please give me Java software. I will try to test that program. I'll try to run that program and tell you output. Can you say like that? He will laugh at your face and say, get out from here, stupid fellow. If you can work with the compiler and JVM, why I need you here? Are you catching my point? Tell me, question given to you, you must think like a compiler to find errors. Next, you must think, you must think, next, you must think like, what? JVM. Everyone understand? You must think like a compiler, you must think like JVM. If you are not able to think like a compiler and JVM, can you pass written test exam? Come on, everyone should tell. Can you pass written test exam? 100% you will fail. Okay, right. In a written test exam and certification, some people are looking for clearing certification. Some companies are asking OCA, OCP, certified developers only they are expecting. Certification exams, what is that? OCA, comma, OCP. In written test exam, OCA, comma, OCP exams. In these exams, if you want to pass, you must have a thinking capacity like a compiler and JVM. That I am promising you. Pakka. Pakka. Okay, you can ask your seniors. Everybody say that, they proudly say that, hey, I am a compiler, I am a JVM. Okay, they proudly say that I am a compiler, I am a JVM, right? Then now next, tell me, after written test exam completed, now face to face round will start. Okay, technical round we call them as. Okay, technical round exam will start. In a technical round, what is this exam? Face to face round. Okay, face to face round, right? So face to face round exam will be start. In this face to face round exam, you must write programs. Okay, you must write programs. Okay, you must write programs. They will give you a task. Okay, assume that now there is a one number I am giving to you. Can you write a program to find this number is palindrome or not? Okay, I am giving you one array to you. Now tell me, in this array, can you find first palindrome, second palindrome, max number, second max number, min number, second min number? Like this, they are going to ask. Write a program. So must write programs. There are two types of programs are there. Pure logical programs. Okay, what the meaning of logical programs? Just now I told you. Okay, just mathematical formulas you are taking. You are taking some numbers, applying some mathematical formulas, and then you are trying to, finding the output of that. I mean, writing the program. Just taking the numbers. By using one formula, you are building the program to perform some operation against that number. Then that is called what? Logical programs. But Java is a object-oriented programming language. Java is a object-oriented programming language. That means what? Real-time business. So he will give you one task. Assume that there is a one person. Assume that there is a one person. Okay, now let's say there are 5 chairs are there. Now I have 5 students are there. Arrange these 5 students in those 5 chairs. Arrange these 5 students in those 5 chairs, and you cannot develop logical program. You have to develop object-oriented program. Chair is a object. Student is a object. You must create 2 programs: student object, chair object. Okay, then you must understand object oriented programming. Object oriented programs also you must able to develop. So in a technical round, people will ask a question. You write a program, you must write programs in the technical round. What type of programs? Logical programs and object oriented programs. Two types of programs you must develop. Then to develop the programs in a company, in a written test round and the company, tell me, you must know how to develop projects na. You must be a project developer na. You must think like a project developer. I will also make you project developer. It's my 100% promise. Then next round will be the third round will be what? Project manager round. Project manager round. In project manager round, the questions will be asking, you must know project architecture. You must know project architecture. He's asking which project, which architecture you have used. Okay, you must know project architectures. Which architectures you have used? There is a famous architecture called MVC. Everybody using MVC. Tell me, under MVC, inside MVC, we are using another architecture called LCRP. Okay, there are two architectures are using. Complete world know only MVC. Only you and me know LCRP. Okay, this LCRP I created. It's my own architecture to make you understand object-oriented programming and projects development easily. I have created this LCRP architecture by my own. Okay, got clarity here? So project architectures you must know. Project architectures you must know. You must know project architectures, and must know, as part of project architectures you must know MVC and LCRP architectures. Okay, you must know MVC and LCRP architectures. I will teach all. Then next, you must know each concept. You must know each concept usage as part of project. You must know each concept usage as part of project. So internal ask a question, Babu, in core Java, you know exception handling? Yes. You know multi-threading? Yes. You know collection? Yes. Can you tell me where did you use multi-threading in your project? Hey, don't ask me. I am a Java student. Okay, I am a Java student. As a Java student, I will tell you how to write a program using multi-threading. I will tell you how to write a program by using collections. I will write a program by using how to write a program by using exception handling. As a part of the project, I don't know how to combine them. My lecturer, my trainer told, in a company, in project development, you will learn, because my trainer is just a trainer. But Hari Krishna is not just a trainer. Hari Krishna is a software engineer. So already I developed so many projects in the company. So I will teach you every concept usage in the project. Okay, either you accepted or not accepted, the statement is correct, Nana. Maybe some people get angry. The statement is correct. Now, in your training process, you are going to use every concept individually. But in my class, you are not going to learn that concept like that. Every chapter end, you are going to develop the project. Every project end you are developing every chapter end you are developing one project. Okay, for example, now data types chapter I am giving data types. In data types, now we are developing 3-4 projects. Okay, look at their projects. Okay, all concept, everything is ready. Only thing is you need to just join and continue the course. That's all. It's my responsibility. Give all your responsibilities to me. I am going to take care of everything. Data types is a small topic as per the trainer's point of view, but my point of view, data types is a big topic which is ruling your entire projects development. And now on that we are developing projects. Okay, 3 projects I'm going to develop. Okay, right. So you take inheritance chapter. Inheritance. Okay, all the people know what is inheritance. Just creating a program deriving from another class is called inheritance. But real inheritance has 8 sections. 8 parts are there. Real inheritance has 8 parts. Okay, 8 sections. Without knowing these 8 sections, you are completing inheritance. Then I will cover inheritance plus earlier all 20-25 chapters in this by using one project. Okay, so I'm going to show you every topic uses. Look at that. Project. Okay, every topic I'm going to talk with the project only by end. First I will start with the core Java concepts. Okay, I'm going to start with a simple definition like in your college, sample program like in your college, and I'll take you to written test exam. What are the different questions can be asked in the written test exam, and what is the algorithm behind? What is the algorithm, compiler algorithm behind, JVM algorithm behind to the topic is compile and execute. So my books, if you take my book, on my every book, I have given a one slogan. What the slogan? No, learn Java. Okay, every book has every page. On every page I remind, learn Java with compiler and JVM architectures. Then only you can become what, a perfect programmer. Okay, perfect programmer. Now I used to say to the students, think like a compiler and JVM. That is my standard statement. Think like a compiler and JVM, automatically programmer will come to your mind. So I will ask a question, sir. You want to become a vehicle driver, or you want to become vehicle mechanic? You want to become vehicle user or vehicle mechanic? What is your job? You bought one bike. Okay, you bought bike, one car. Okay, as a car user, you are a car owner, but you want to join as a mechanic. If you know only how to drive the car, will you get a job? You want to join as a mechanic. So as a mechanic, you want to join, you must know each and every part of the car na, each and every algorithm of the car na, right? So then you will become a mechanic is also driver. A driver is driver. If some problems are coming, you cannot solve. So what is my target? I don't want to make you a driver, a user of Java language. I'll make you a mechanic, a creator. First, you are becoming a mechanic. So what are the different parts of the available? You are going to know how they are working. That is called mechanic job, compiler and JVM job. Then later I'm making you creator. So creator is nothing but project developer. So if you are a project developer, then only in the technical round and project manager round, you can pass interview. Shall I? Shall I make you project developer? Shall I guaranteely make you pass all these rounds? Choice is yours. No, sir, all this nonsense. Who will? You just tell me definition, small program, then I will continue. I will complete the batch. Okay, then I'm not suitable, Nana. Okay, I'm not suitable. So you people, please, can find some other faculty. If your target is really becoming a software engineer, then I am suitable, because my syllabus is very heavy. Not that much. Okay, simple syllabus. I will torture you with the subject. Again repeating my statement. My statement is a direct statement. I will torture you with the subject. You will cry like anything with the subject. Okay, I will torture you with the subject. This much heavy syllabus I have. Almost 100 topics I'm going to cover, which are useful for your project understanding, developing, and guaranteely passing the interviews. This much heavy syllabus is there. So I'm requesting you, take the decision before come to the course. If you really want to become software engineer, your target is going to going to company to develop the projects, then I am suitable. So you are just coming here to time pass, okay, just wanted to see what is there in Java, then I am the torture faculty. Please don't come. It's my humble request. What is your target? You check. So if your target, my target is matched, then only please join. Otherwise, please stay away, so that other students will not get disturbed by your questions. So now, up to now, these are the points I have explained yesterday. Then last round, most dangerous round, HR round. Okay, one more round is there, HR round. Tell me, in a project manager round, technical things will be there. In a technical round, Java questions will be there. In a written test exam, OCA, OCP round, you'll have what? Only technical questions, complete Java. Here, think like a compiler and JVM. Here, think like a project manager. Just a programmer. Think here like a programmer. Here, you have to think like a project developer. Three types of mindset should be there. Aparachit mindset. Rama, Remo, Aparachit. Project manager round is Aparachit, very dangerous person. Okay, right. So first you have to think like a compiler and JVM to pass written test exam. You have to think like a programmer to complete the develop the small programs. And project means combining all the programs. For combining all the programs, you have to think like a project developer. That's why 3 levels of questions are asking. Are you good in concept? Then written test exam passed. Written test exam target is making you understand, are you good in concept? Yes. Then now they're going to test, okay, now are you good in syntaxes? Okay, but are you good in logical thinking? Do you have logical thinking or not? So logics able to write or not? Think checking. Next round. Third round, are these logics you have a capacity of using as part of project development? Can you combine all these concepts as a project? If all these rounds are passed, still your job is not confirmed. The most dangerous person will come. HR round will come. Tell me, in HR round, people will ask wonderful question, super question. What is your weakness? What is your weakness? What is your weakness? Everybody telling that my weakness is sleepy, sir. I am sleepy. Okay, I am sleepy. Sir, I am a short temper, sir. Okay, okay. I am quickly become bored, sir. I'm quickly become bored, sir, on the work. Hey, never tell your real weakness as weakness, Roy. If you tell your real weakness to the interviewer, interviewer will not give you job. Don't tell real weakness. You know, every word coming out from your mouth should be useful to the company. Again repeating, every word coming from your mouth must be useful to the company. That is called managerial skills. If you are sleepy, what the use of company? And you will come to the office in AC room to sleep happily. Yeah. Will you get job? Every word you are using in the interview room should leads to success, should give you job. Okay, tell me, if you say I am short temper, tell me, when your team leader, team manager getting angry, they shout to you, then immediately you'll go and beat him like anything, na? Next, if you're a bored person, then with this company maximum you'll work for what? 1 month or 2 months, again you will go for resign. But we are looking for long-term people. If you say this real weakness, then what happen? You will not get job. You must tell the weakness which is useful to company. You should tell the weakness which is positive, useful to company. You know, I played with my HR. I told my helping nature is my weakness. I told helping nature is weakness. Then HR shocked. Hey, how is your helping nature is your weakness? Helping nature is a positive, na good, na? Yes, sir. My helping nature is actually helping nature is good, but my friends told it is my weakness. You know, because of my helping nature, I lost 2 things, sir. Number one, I lose my time, I lose my money. You know, in my education time, I am, good at some subjects. I'm good at some subjects. Then my friends are coming and asking me, explain it, explain it, explain it. But I'm unable to, because of my helping nature, I'm unable to, avoid them. Then I go and started explaining. Because I'm explaining, okay, finally what happened? I am losing. Because I'm explaining, I am losing my, what you call, I'm losing my time, and finally I got less marks. I'm losing my time, and finally I'm getting less marks. So that is the reason I told. Second reason, I don't have any bad habits. Okay, no smoking, no drinking, and no other things, no bad habits. Whatever my mother, father giving money, I am saving. Suddenly, my friends are asking some money. Without second thinking, I am giving money to them, feeling that they will give back, but they're not giving money back whenever I need. So because of my helping nature, I lost time and money, I told. Then what happened? Interviewer impressed. The way I'm justifying my helping nature as my weakness, interviewer impressed, HR impressed. And he started thinking in a positive way. Okay, because of his helping nature, already he is very strong in Java. On my resume, all round interviewers are putting some star marks. Okay, he's very strong in Java. Okay, if any other team member or any other other team member, same team member struggling with writing code, he will go and help immediately. Okay, with that thought, he given job to me. You don't know, Babu, my manager, my team lead name is Mr. Kiran. Okay, if he's listening my demo class, maybe he's recollected his my days. Initial days, Kiran has given me one task to develop. Okay, then I am developing the code, my other team member is getting some problem, then I'm leaving my task and going to that task and started helping him to work. My team member, my team lead used to scold me, "Ore, you complete your work first, why you are going there?" Okay. So this helping nature, also a weakness. Like this, you take one positive weakness and tell, don't tell all these negative things. Rabuji, all people got clarity? Yeah? All people got clarity? Yeah? Fine. Then next, now weakness don't tell, only tell positive as a weakness. That is important point, you remember. HR round is the most dangerous round. HR round is the most dangerous round. Okay, fine. Next question I'm asking, try to think. Next round, HR will ask you immediately salary discussion. How much package you are expecting? Okay. So as a fresher, immediately you don't tell the package. You tell that as per company norms, you tell. As per company norms. As per company, you can give my salary. If he insists, no, 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 you give some salary, then you can tell number of years. What the number of years? 0 years, na? Now you can ask for 3 lakhs. 3 lakh, not per month, per annum. 3 lakh per annum you can ask. Now the trend, as per the trend, you can ask for 3 lakh per annum. Okay, if you are trying with an experience, number of years into 3 lakh you ask. Number of years into 3 lakh you can ask. So why I am covering the concept this much depth? I hope all the people got clarity. So my promise is I'll make you compiler and JVM. Okay, I'll make you compiler and JVM. Now one more point I wanted to add. One more point I want to add. I'll make you James Gosling. Maybe here you are getting some, crazy feeling. What the meaning of James Gosling? James Gosling is our Java developer, Java father, Java inventing person. What the meaning of making you James Gosling here? Compiler software has algorithm. Compiler software has algorithm. JVM software has algorithm. When you're writing syntaxes, there are some rules. For example, if you take a overriding method, overriding method has some rules. You cannot override the method however you like. Overriding method has some rules. I will tell the reasons behind those rules with the project architecture. Okay, create my point. I will tell the reasons behind, I'll tell the reasons behind that rules. That's what I'm telling you. I'll make you think like the designers. Okay, right. So I will make you thinking like that, so that interview asking any depth questions you can easily answer. Okay, so this is my first promise I'm giving to you all, right? So this is the second day. Okay, this is the second day of our course, Core Java. Any of you joined newly today, just I'm giving quick revision to you. Course name is not just Core Java. Core Java with project design, project development. Target is making you software engineer. Okay, so target, this course target is making you software engineer. Making you software engineer. Next, duration of this course 3 months, plus duration of this course is 3 months plus 3 months plus YouTube private videos. Okay, YouTube private videos. I'm going to give you YouTube private videos on, some less important topics. Okay, less important topics I'm going to give like this. Okay, got clarity? YouTube private videos. Then the end date of this course, duration, end date of this course, starting date and end date I'm giving. Starting date already you know. End date of our course is October 6th I'm putting. Okay, the next fee is 2,500. Okay, and it is a training. Okay, training mode. Training mode. It is a fully online class. It's a fully online class. Okay, now this fully online class, there is no offline class for it. Completely training mode is a fully online class. So till last day of the course, okay, it will be work as a online only. You no need to come to Hyderabad. Stay at home, stay safe. Then this course includes Java language fundamentals, okay, object oriented programming and logical programming, Java API, IDEs, and Java project. Some people are asking me question, sir, collections covered, multi-threading covered. That's all part of Java API. Okay, all are part of Java API. Some people are telling the design patterns covered up, right? Design patterns are covered as part of core Java design patterns only will be covered. Okay, core Java design patterns will be covered, not all design patterns. Okay, look at that. This is the Java API syllabus. API documentation, java.lang package, java.lang object, wrapper classes, exception handling, multi-threading, IO streams and new IO, networking, collections framework, stream API, concurrent API, executor framework, re-entrant locks, semaphore and mutex, reactive programming, regular expression, new date and time API. So these are the topics comes under Java API. Okay, right? These are the topics. People who are worrying about data collections covered or not, data structures covered or not, algorithms covered or not. As part of logical programming, searching and sorting algorithms will be covered. Okay, so this is our syllabus, right? And next, now this is a live class. Okay, right? So now, recorded videos. Recorded videos. It is a live sessions, live classes, live classes. Nothing is recording. You must come everyday class. Okay, right? If you miss class, what to do? If it is an offline class, if you miss, what will you do? Same thing you have to do now also. Follow the material, and I'll give you the, I will give you the, now the link. You have to contact your classmates. Okay, FB group. FB group, you must follow FB group, and every day before starting the class, I will revise the topic, yesterday discussion topic. Next FB group, and next material. You must follow material. I'll give you material soft copy. I'll give you material soft copy of 2000 papers material will give. Okay, and next interview questions. Interview questions material also soft copy will give. Okay, it's almost contain 150 pages of material. Okay, applet swings will not be covered. People, if you want to learn applet swings, try to change your mindset. You are 100% wasting your time. Applets, swings, Java FX will not be covered. Sun Microsystem itself planning to remove. Applets already removed. Java FX is separated from Java, and AWT applet swings are meant for developing GUI, standalone GUI based applications. Standalone GUI based applications means like this, some calculators if you want to develop, then we need AWT applet swings. Okay, I'm not going to entertain, I'm not going to waste the time. Nowadays, no one is developing standalone applications, everything web applications. Okay, all the web applications are developing by using web application. GUI is developing by using HTML. The time you are spending for learning Swing, applets, AWT, Java FX, it may take almost 20-25 days to complete. The 25 days, if you spend on HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, your career will be more good flow. Okay, so better stop thinking about AWT swings that is already outdated from the market from Java. Try to move to UI technology side. Learn UI technologies. Okay, entry questions, everything I will given, right? FB group, I'm sharing the web FB group, so please try to all the people do registrations. Okay, do registration so that it's a private group. It's a private group. That means you should be a member of that group, then only you will be eligible to see the content, ask the questions. Okay, I'm sharing this in chat box. You can collect it. So FB group discussion, FB group, this is the FB group. Facebook.com, fb.com/groups/Java Hare Krishna. Okay, you can go on to type in the, if you go to your FB. Okay, if someone don't use FB, start using FB. What I can do? If someone is not using FB, start using FB. Is FB is doing any harm to you, Mr. AT? Right. So this is our group name, Java Hare Krishna. It is a private group. It is a private group. You have to send request. Okay, you have to send request. There is a join button. Once you log in, there is a join button. Click on join. Then I will get the request like this. I will approve your request. Okay. Now look at there. There are some people already send the request. Now just simply click on approve and approve, 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 approve. Okay, so all these requests I am approving. Okay, so remaining people request I'll approve later. Then I will tell you what is going here. Now in this group, your seniors are asking so many doubts, so much of content sharing. Okay, right, all the errors, whatever the errors coming, all errors are sharing. Now your seniors are going to answer you. Okay, your seniors are going to answer you. Okay, right. So now so many questions, so much discussion, bank project, some projects they are going to share. Okay, and then next now this is a lot of stories going here. Okay, spring boot related, not only core java, complete java related, all the discussion is going in this group. Okay, right. So this is the basic idea you have to follow. So try to follow this group for your doubts clarification. If you miss a class, then read material. So I will follow strictly material order only. You just follow the material and then read it and go to group, try to raise your questions. Next day when I'm revising, you can follow it. And this is the syllabus including. Everybody comfortable? New students and old students, still any questions you have, you can ask. I'm giving 1 minute time to ask your questions. Insta group. Okay, I didn't create, I'll create. How to pay money? Okay, so I given yesterday administrator number, Mr. Nagababu. Our class admin is Mr. Nagababu. He will give you bank details. Okay, our class admin will be Nagababu. Okay, now I'll share you the bank details and all probably tomorrow. Okay, so I need to collect the details. So through bank, online transfer, through bank online, or 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 through UPI, Google GPay or GPay or PhonePe, anything you can use. Okay, Google Pay and PhonePe, you can use any UPI apps. After you completed your payment, after completing payment, okay, while doing payment, very important, while doing payment, you must include your name in remarks. Okay, you must mention your name in remarks. Otherwise we don't know for whom you are doing payment. No? We should identify you by your name. You must include your name. You must include your name in remarks. Clear my point? Then after payment completed, after completing payment, you must send what payment screenshot to Mr. Nagababu Facebook. I mean Nagababu WhatsApp. I'll give you the number, or mail to support@gmail.com. Whichever possible to you, you can do that. Okay, that's fine, no problem. So now if you already done payment, not mention that name, it's okay. So now you try, now people who are doing new registrations, try to do like this. Right, now I'll share the Nagababu number. Nagababu, can you please put your number in the chat box? Nagababu, ఒకసారి నంబర్ చేయవా, అక్కడ మర్చిపోయాను. Yeah, this is his number. Okay, this is number. So you can collect this number 95533777893. Yeah, just my course is enough to clear OCA, OCP. You no need any special training again. So any fee related things, please talk to Nagbabu. I cannot talk because I am not administrator. Na. All administration works, he will take care. Okay, fee related things you can talk. Any subject related, talk to me. Fee related, talk to him. Okay. OCA, OCP certification, Java certification. So you pass BTech na. How can you prove you are a BTech student? Your university is conducting one exam, right? Like that exam on Java, Oracle Corporation is conducting one exam. That exam name is OCA and OCP. Two exams are there. Okay, OCA, OCP. OCA stands for Oracle Certified Associate and OCP stands for Oracle Certified Professional. Catching my point? How to ask to me? Same. I given already Facebook na. This group, I am part of this group only. Java Hari Krishna. Java by Hari Krishna. Okay. Okay, Java by Hari Krishna. Every day will be there. Every day will be there. Okay. Then now I'm coming to today class. So because of new students are there, just I have given you the details. Now tell me, what are the prerequisites? What are the prerequisites for learning core Java? Okay. Someone people are feeling that C, C++, okay, required, not required. Okay. You can start Java as, you can start Java as a first programming language. There are no prerequisites. Okay, there are no prerequisites. You can start your Java as your first programming language. There are no prerequisites. All are catching my point, right? Then next, now you what are the to continue my, okay, if you want to continue my course, you need one small prerequisite. Look at here, C, C++ programming knowledge, or you can say simply C, C++ knowledge is not required. Okay, is not required. C, C++ programming knowledge is not required. Next. For attending my class, you need some knowledge. What is that? No, common sense. You must have common sense. Huge common sense you must have. Okay, just my English, if you understand, that's enough. Okay, if you understand my English, that's enough. If you understand my English, that's enough. If you are understanding my English, you can continue. If you don't understand my English, then it's create problem. Only prerequisite, my English knowledge is sufficient. Whatever I'm speaking, if you understand, that much sufficient. You can easily start understanding Java. Okay, now the next important question. Is just core Java sufficient to get a job? Okay, is just core Java sufficient to get job? This is the another question people are asking me, commonly asking question. Okay, so because these are demo classes, I have to clear all your doubts. Okay, you have to first get clarity on all your doubts, then I will take you to the subject. Okay, straight away I cannot jump. So for example, if I want to come to the swimming, I'm a swimming trainer, I cannot directly throw you into water. First I should prepare the base. What is water, how water, what the prerequisites, everything. If I give the details, then I can jump into the subject. Okay, right? Is it just core Java sufficient to get a job? What do you answer, Nana? Try to think. No, not sufficient. Okay, not sufficient. It's not sufficient. Again repeating, not sufficient. You must learn some more. Why? Tell me, if you want to pass a written test exam, first you will get aptitude round paper, Baba. Okay, first you need aptitude. First you need pass aptitude round. Means what the meaning of aptitude? Arithmetics. Okay, arithmetics. Then next, reasoning. Next what? Puzzles, verbal. Okay, lot of things. This course in our Java, in our Amirpet, we call it as CRT. Okay, so verbal puzzle, lot of things you need to pass. Then technical round, core Java required. Okay, next, after core Java, now you must also have programming knowledge, solid logical programming knowledge. Solid logical programming knowledge purpose, you must also have the knowledge on C and DS. Core Java, sorry, C and DS. C and DS. If you join C and DS, then only will get full strong knowledge of logical programming. Logical programming knowledge you will get in C and DS. Clear my point? The next, core Java, you will get logical programming plus object oriented programming. If your target is getting, I know, good MNC based companies, if you are targeting high good MNC based companies you are targeting, then you must learn what? Data structures. Okay, you must learn data structures. So if you don't learn data structures, you cannot target a big MNC companies, and product based companies you cannot target. All right, so just normal MNC companies you want, no, normal service based companies if you want, right? Data structure is not that much a deal. Okay, next, tell me, if you learn core Java, you can develop the logics, but you cannot develop web applications. If you want to develop web applications, you need three knowledge. Number one database course you need to do, that is Oracle, because complete data stored in Oracle. Okay, you must go and learn Oracle. Next, front end screens you have to develop, right? Front end screens you have to develop. For that you need HTML, JavaScript. HTML, JavaScript knowledge you must have. Again repeating. So just learning core Java sufficient? Not sufficient. What are the must learn courses? Okay, must learn courses. Must learn courses. What the courses you must learn? You must learn courses. Number one, aptitude. Aptitude we are calling what? CRT. CRT you must do. If you learn CRT, then you will be good at arithmetics, reasoning, verbal, puzzle, all those things you are going to learn. Then, so that with this knowledge, now you can clear first round paper. Then you are going for a technical round. In a technical round, logical programming will be there, algorithms will be there. The logical programming algorithm knowledge you are getting at C and DS course. Okay, and then next, now you are going to learn object oriented programming related. That is you are learning in core Java. But projects are web applications. Web applications means it's not just programs. They are what? Data must be stored in database. Okay, one of the database we are learning Oracle. And next, we need to collect the data from the end user. For that I need HTML and JavaScript. HTML JavaScript knowledge you need. Then next, now HTML JavaScript programs are running in your computer, but the project is available in the server. They are available in two different computers, right? This is your computer and this is server computer. Via network, now the data you are giving here must be sent via network to server. In a server, there should be a one program to collect your data. For that, you need something called advanced Java. Okay, you must learn advanced Java. You must learn advanced Java. Are catching my point? Sir, what is there as part of advanced Java? As part of advanced Java, you are learning JDBC, servlet, JDBC, servlet, and then what? JSP. So these three topics are comes under advanced Java, right? So tell me, how many courses you have to do to get a job? If you want to get job as a fresher, these 6 courses are compulsory. Either you are trying job as a Python fresher, or you are getting job as a .NET. You are trying to get job in PHP, Python, .NET, Java. Any technical field you take, if you want to get job, CRT, C and DS, Oracle, HTML. These 4 courses are compulsory. These 4 courses are compulsory for every person who want to come to software industry. It's not for Java. It's not for .NET. It's a common courses for all courses. For any technical course, any programming language you take, these 3 compulsory. Then now for Java people, you need to know 2 things additional: core Java, advanced Java. So as a fresher, if you're trying job, these 6 courses are compulsory. Sir, now I have 2 years gap there, sir, right? I passed my academics. I completed my academics in 2018. Still I didn't get the job. Due to some reasons, I didn't get job. Okay, now I'm trying for a job. Or 2012 I completed, sir. Now I'm working in a different field. Now I want to come to IT field. So how can I come? Happily you can come, no problem. Okay, there are some companies are there, consultancies are there, who will give you some fake certificate. Okay, fake certificates they will give. With that certificates you can manage, but subject you cannot manage. You have to learn subject very depth. Companies knows you are a fake, you are a Amirpet product. Companies knows you are a Amirpet product, but still companies are ready to give job if you are show your talent. Okay, if you are good at subject, companies are ready to give you job, no problem. Then one point you need to realize, as an experienced person, these courses are not sufficient. If you want to try job with experience, you must learn something called what? Frameworks. You must learn something called frameworks. Okay, what the frameworks are? Frameworks are nothing but Spring. Okay, Spring you must learn. Hibernate you must learn. Spring, Hibernate you must learn. Then JavaScript framework we have Angular. JavaScript framework you must learn Angular. So nowadays JavaScript directly not using, Angular they are using. So if you know these frameworks, Angular or React, not both required, Angular or React, almost both are same. Okay, Angular or React JS, Angular JS or React JS you must learn. All are catching my point? All are catching my point? So now these are the points you must realize. If you are trying job as a fresher, these 6 courses are sufficient. CRT stands for Campus Recruitment Training, nothing but aptitude. As part of CRT, you are learning arithmetics, reasoning, and what you call verbal. Then next, in addition to frameworks, you must also learn something called XML web services, XML web services, or RESTful services. XML based web service or RESTful based web services you should learn. Okay, XML web service or RESTful web service you must learn. Okay, right. So then next, after learning these, you should also have a knowledge on Java tools. What the Java tools means? Small tools like, you know, log4j, and next we have something called you know, what do you call it? Git, and we have next one is what? Maven or Maven, whatever. Okay, and we have Gradle. Okay, Gradle. Next we have something called JUnit. Okay, JUnit. Like this, there are several tools are there. You have to learn. Okay, all these tools will be covered as part of Sunday classes by your advanced faculties. No need to worry. I don't cover, advanced faculties will cover. And also you should have knowledge on design patterns. Okay, if you are trying as an experience, design patterns knowledge is very important. Okay, design patterns knowledge is very important. So if you don't know design patterns, then you will face problem. And then if you learn these courses, these 4 courses are mandatory for experienced people. So now if you are trying with an experience, some 2 years or 3 years gap, with that gap you are trying, then you should have knowledge on CRT. Okay, CRT is optional, not required. CDS, Core Java, Oracle, HTML, Advanced Java, frameworks, XML, web services, Java tools, and design patterns. All these courses are required. Sir, you may feel that, sir, Core Java syllabus is very big. I'll go to Python. Sir, in Python also you have to learn same. In Python, only Java to Python, these two are different. In Python, you will call core Python, and you call what? Advanced Python. You call what? Advanced Python. And frameworks you call what? Django or Django. In these 2 places we are getting what? Django. Okay, Django. And you have Angular and React, you have to learn for Python also. Now there also we have RESTful web services. There also we have Java tools. There also we have design patterns. You take any language, the list whatever I am giving, names are changing, but they are there. Only names are changing, but everything is there. Syllabus is big. Okay, no doubt. Syllabus is big. Sir, this much syllabus I should learn, sir. In BTech, how many subjects you learn? Okay, how many subjects you learn in BTech? Right? So you have to learn one project if you want to develop. All these things are required. Finally, with this all concepts knowledge, you must learn one Java real-time project. Okay, you must learn one Java real-time project. Then only you can survive in the company. Java real-time project. One Java real-time project knowledge you must gain. So these are the courses you have to do as a Java developer, Python developer, .NET developer. If you want to come to software industry, you have to learn all these things. Everyone got clarity? Yeah? Everyone got clarity? Yeah? Without this knowledge, come to, don't expect come to software industry. Don't expect come to software industry. You will face lot of problems. You know, in our Jamana, there are so many software engineers used to commit suicide because that much pressure people are feeling. Why pressure you feel? Now you jump into ocean. Tell me, you are a normal person. If you are going into ocean, you are getting fear, chichu you will get. Whereas if you ask some fisherman to go to into that ocean, even though there is a huge cyclone also, they are enjoy they will go because they know all techniques. They know everything, how to survive themselves, how to go inside, how to come inside, all techniques they know. That's why there is no pressure to them. So being a software engineer, if you learn all these courses, you don't get pressure. Okay, look at there. Your target is here, software engineer, to become software engineer. Our target, we are here to become a software engineer for developing a project by using Java language is the target. We are here to become a software engineer for developing a project using Java. For that, what are the skills you require to develop a project? In a project development, you need the skills. First, problem solving skills that you are learning from CRT course. In these courses, I listed several courses. In these courses, what is the skill you are acquiring? Now tell me, in the CRT course, you are acquiring problem solving skills. Next, in a C and DS, you are acquiring logical programming skills. Okay, you are going to see that logical programming skills. Okay, and then next, in core Java, you are acquiring object-oriented programming skills. Object-oriented programming skills. And in next, database, in Oracle course, you are acquiring database programming skills. And next, as part of the course HTML, CSS, you are learning UI programming with graphics skills. In JavaScript, you are going to acquire client-side validation scripting. Client-side validation scripting you are going to get. All this terminology I'll explain you tomorrow with a project. Okay, I'm going to teach you one project. As part of tomorrow project development, as part of tomorrow demo class, I'm going to show you complete software industry, how the projects are designing and developing in company, how all these courses are used. Today, I'm just introducing the courses. What the skills you require to develop project, just I'm giving you information. With this information, and now tomorrow, I'm going to draw one big project architecture. I'll show you that architecture so that you will feel comfortable. And tomorrow, I'm going to give you complete details. 2 hours class is the very important class tomorrow. Complete this much big architecture I'm going to create for you and making you aware which course is coming at what place in the project. Because project manager round will ask, na, where did you use CRT? Where did you use core Java? Where did you use advanced? Where did you use framework? They will ask. So I'm going to make you realize all the concepts. Then if you want to develop server-side programming, what the meaning of server-side programming, I'll tell you tomorrow. Tomorrow, server-side programming, you have to learn advanced Java, servlets and JSP you must learn. Servlet, JSP, JDBC, server-side programming. But if you learn only this much advanced Java, this much, project development will become very slow. Okay, if you develop the project by using this concept for 6 years, 6 years if you take, let's say 1 year, let's say, why 6 years, maybe 1 year if you take to complete this project. If you want to finish that project fast in 1 month or 2 months, 6 months of the project you want to complete in less days, then you have to use what? Fast development frameworks. If you want to fast development, you must use frameworks. Tell me, in company we are always looking for fast development only, na? Less work, less code, more work. Frameworks are telling what? Less code, more work. Less code, more work. Now tell me, for that purpose we need what you call frameworks. Now tell me, you are staying in Hyderabad, let's say. If you are staying in your own individual room, what you do? Tiffin, you prepare yourself and come to the class. Lunch, you must prepare yourself and eat. Dinner, you must prepare yourself and come. Tell me, lot of time you are spending for preparing the food, na? Whereas some other person taken a wise decision, he's joining a hostel. Then in a hostel, what is his job? Food preparing is not required. Food is prepared by another person called hostel owner, hostel cook will prepare, making food ready. Only you are doing your job. Why you're in Hyderabad? To become cooker? No, to become software engineer. So you can concentrate on your studies, going to the class, attending the class, learning the subject, coming back to the room and spending. And tell me now, 1 hour you are spending on the cooking. That 1 hour, if somebody taking that responsibility, you can spend that 1 hour for learning Java, na? That is what framework. Your hostel owner is a framework. So that 1 hour of the time he already prepared. Now your time is saved. That is how we are going to get faster development. Frameworks are frameworks are 80 to 85% of complete projects. Those projects we are using, and we are adding our own project required small codes. Small codes. Complete project is already added. More details I'll explain you tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay. Let me go to the next point. Up to now, what are the courses you must do? In each course, what the skill you are getting? This is the details. Okay. To develop project, different skills we required and the courses we require them. Then finally tell me what the courses we must learn. CRT, aptitude, reasoning, puzzles, verbal, and some technical C. And the next C and data structures. Next, core Java. Next, Oracle. Oracle, not administration. Oracle is language. SQL, PL, programming, database programming, SQL, PL, you are learning. HTML, JavaScript, you must learn. Advanced Java, you must learn. Frameworks, you must learn. As part of the frameworks, you must learn Hibernate, Spring, and Angular. Okay. The next, XML web services, RESTful web services, you must learn. Java tools, you must learn. Design patterns, you must learn. These are the 10 courses. If you learn, then you are a full software engineer. Are you catching my point? Full software engineer. Full software engineer. You are a full software engineer. If you miss at least one course, then you are not a full software engineer. You are going to face some problem, right? Then following by now, Java real-time project development. By using all these 10 courses, combining one project development awareness, if you get, then as a experienced person, when you step into company, as an experienced person, when you step into company, then it's easy for you to understand, project development process, and easily you can cope up with your team members, team leads, and started developing code as if you are a real developer. Okay, as if you are a real developer. Okay, that's what I am trying to tell. So these are the total 11 courses you have to do. For freshers, these 6 courses are mandatory. Okay. For experienced, all courses are mandatory. Sir, I'm a fresher, then I don't learn frameworks. No, it's not good. You must get some awareness. Essential. For experienced people also, remaining frameworks, XML web services, Java tools, design pattern, Java real-time project development, knowledge is essential. If you have time, you try to learn. So if you don't have time, okay, you can leave it, and you can, in company, people will teach you. Because in company, damn sure, once you get job, once you enter it into the company project development, definitely you are going to see now the frameworks based code only. If you have some idea, then it will be easy for you to understand. Got clarity? Then immediately fear start in your mind. Sir, these many courses, when I can complete, sir? I'm expecting my course should be completed in 6 months. I'm ready for the job, sir. Already I wasted my 4 years of time in BTech. Okay, right? And already I have experience, already lot of time I wasted. I'm not ready to waste more time, sir. I want to complete quickly as much as possible. How can I do that? I'm giving the plan. Full Java course completion steps. Okay, that's right. Yesterday demo class target is making your mindset, preparing your mind to think like a software engineer. You are here, this course you joined not for becoming Java student to know only what is there in Java. Your target is what? Software engineer mindset. So yesterday demo class target is set up your mind to make you think like a software engineer. Today demo class target is setting your course completion steps. Okay, na? So your career setup, I am setting up your career, what you should learn to have the happy career, if you don't learn, what problems you are going to face. Complete details I am trying to give you, so that you will take correct decision, what to learn, what not to learn, how to learn. Now I'm going to introduce full Java course completion steps. Tell me what the full Java course and completion steps. We start with a no prerequisite courses. Now I want to start a no prerequisite courses. What the no prerequisite courses? Core Java, Oracle, HTML, JavaScript. These 3 courses are no prerequisite. You can start all these courses immediately. Sir, where I can find these courses, sir? Go to nareshit.com. Go to nareshit.com and then come to new batches. There you'll find Hyderabad. Click on Hyderabad. Click on Hyderabad. So this is the link for all you people to find. Okay, so this is the link for finding the courses, new courses. Now scroll down, you'll find. Now look at there. UI technologies, nothing but HTML, JavaScript, CSS. Sudhakar Sharma sir, starting from 6th July, 4 p.m. No prerequisite. You can start this course immediately. Okay, you can start this course immediately. That is called HTML is nothing but UI technologies. Okay, UI technologies. Next, CRT, 6th July, 6 p.m. Hari Krishna, not me. This Hari Krishna is a different Hari Krishna Sagar. Okay, and then next, C language by Kishore sir, Core Java by myself. Oracle, 8th July, 11 a.m. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So your batch is very luckiest batch. Okay, so all courses are starting immediately for you without wasting the time. Now requesting you all register for this Oracle course by. Okay, na this is a Oracle course. Register for that course, Oracle, and UI technologies course. Maybe demo class completed. Today you can continue. Okay, there is some problem. I'll contact with the Naresh Shetty management. There is some problem. Okay. So I'll check with Naresh Shetty management. I'll let you know. Okay. Nagbabu, UI technologies course leda abesara. Nagbabu, UI technologies course రావట్లేదు. మరి లింక్ okay. So the course is, maybe that date is changed. Okay, now date is changed. Maybe next week you are going to get, no need to worry now. So maybe next week you are going to get, no need to worry now. Okay. Yeah, UI technologies cover HTML, JavaScript, CSS, complete. UI development required, everything will be completed. Okay, na? So the course you can see here. UI technology syllabus, if you want, you can see here. UI technology training, what are all coming as part of syllabus, you can see that. Introduction to UI technologies, basics, okay, more tags in HTML, CSS, okay, format elements, JavaScript support data structures, advanced JavaScript, jQuery, okay, event using jQuery, Ajax, HTML5, CSS3, okay, complete advanced, AngularJS, mini project, complete, one project format you are going to learn there in UI technologies. Okay, na? Fine. Then now all the people register for Oracle course, right? So now Core Java, Oracle, HTML, all three courses you are doing. Come back. Then now it is going like this. All these three courses you join, 2 hours per day, 6 hours you are learning, keep on going. Then now we need to start learning advanced Java, na? If you want to get job, advanced Java compulsory. Then now you are going for advanced Java. In the middle of the course, you are start learning advanced Java. When in the middle of Core Java, if you want to start advanced Java, all these three courses are prerequisites: WOOP, SQL, HTML. After these three courses middle, then you are going to learn either CDS CRT wise or advanced Java, depends on your choice. After object oriented programming, then you can go for CDS and CRT or advanced Java, or you can join C now itself. There is no prerequisite for C also. Core Java, C data structure, Oracle, HTML. Okay, any of these 5 courses in any order based on your choice you can choose. All these are no prerequisites, all are individual courses. So if your plan is go to advanced Java, first you join for these 3 and continue. Okay, right. If your target is not advanced Java, then you can go any of these 5 courses parallelly. You can choose and join. Then in the middle of advanced Java, okay, every Saturday, Sunday, your respective faculties will teach you Java tools, design patterns, related concepts. Okay. Then in the middle of advanced Java, new course Hibernate, Spring and Spring Boot, you are going to learn. In the spring, okay, new style of development came called Spring Boot came. The next XML web services, following by Java real-time project you are learning. So this is the complete our course duration. Okay, so Java tools, design patterns is part of advanced Java teach. No need to do any payment. It's a Java tools, no need to do any payment, but for design patterns you need to do some payment. Okay, right. So that's not part of advanced Java. Okay, Java tools free, but design patterns not free. Okay, design patterns you need to do some payment. Okay, design patterns, some design patterns will be covered free, but not all design patterns. Okay, now tell me, totally if you go parallelly, complete your 10 hours per day you have to spend, sir. 10 to 12 hours you have to spend per day. 10 hours maximum you have to spend, because it's your, you want to complete course as fast as possible. To complete course as fast as possible, obviously you have to spend more time now, right? If you spend less time, more days. If you spend more time, less days. Minimum 10 hours you have to spend per day. If you spend like this and do parallel as per my schedule, then you can complete the course in 7 to 8 months. Okay, 7 to 8 months. Agreed? More those many months also, sir. Like, come on, you have to. If you tell to your brain those many months, and then you'll get fear. You should not say like that. Clear my point? So to look at there in this course duration, what are the doubts you have? You can ask. I'm ready to clear your doubts. If you are comfortable, then we'll go to next slide. Today class target, all you understand, my target is introducing all the courses. What I should tell Mr. Prakanta Patil? I am giving you complete material, Nana. You no need to do anything. Just watch. If you don't have laptop, you have to use online compilers. Online compilers. Up to Core Java, it will work. Online compilers are there. You can use up to from the mobile, you can work up to Core Java. But when you go to advanced concepts, laptop or desktop compulsory. Up to Core Java, you can no need of laptop. Just from mobile, you can manage. No, you cannot start Core Java, Advanced Java parallel. Core Java, Advanced Java, you can start. Advanced Java, you can start only if you have knowledge on whoops. If you have the knowledge on whoop, then you can start. That's what I given a prerequisite. In your academics, if you have already object-oriented programming knowledge, you can start. Okay. So for doing any payment, again, same question people are raising. I don't know why. Same question, sir. How can I do payment? How can I do payment? Already shared the details. Contact Mr. Nagbabu. He will share you the payment link, payment bank details. Okay, you can do payment by with the help of Nagbabu. You can do payment bank online payment through bank, or using UPI app. So each course, how much is the cost? All the details. Our Nagbabu will be help you. Please take his number. Please take his number. This is a Mr. Nagababu number, who is our class admin. Any technical problems, you can contact him. 955-33-77-893. Very famous, very, what do you call it? Famous number. Next. All right. Okay. Payment details also given. Mr. Nagababu has shared it to you. Payment details also. You can collect. The bank details, everything shared. So this is the bank details. Okay. Core Java 9 AM fee 2,500. Bank details. This is the bank account number. and this is current account. You have to choose the account type as a current account, and this is IFSC code for online transfer. And UPI payment, you have to choose the same bank account number. Through bank account number, same UPI number you have to choose. Simple. It's a fancy number. Yeah. I'll give daily assignments. Yeah. You have to join the courses according to this screen. Take the screenshot. Take screenshot and keep it with you on your mobile or on your mobile system, wherever. Keep the screenshot. Phone pay number is bank account number itself. You can do phone pay two ways, using account number, using mobile number. This is account number. Through account number you should do phone pay. Mr. Himanshu, I will teach only core Java. Advanced I will teach by other faculty. And don't forget to include your name in the payment. How much time? Depending on how much time you have. Your wish. Evening new batch will start July last week at 4 p.m. No, credit card option not available. Only bank account. Any more doubts? Any more doubts? You can do registration today. 9 a.m. na? Which batch you are asking? Varaikila? That you have to contact Mr. Nagabab. I don't know. Technical details, don't ask me what the fees of other courses. I am not dealing, na? Not required. No prerequisites. Already I mentioned that point. Maybe you didn't listen. No prerequisites. Already told you prerequisites. C++ knowledge is not required. Just common sense, English knowledge. Just if you know English, it's enough. English plus common sense. Just join the class and follow, enough. If you know English and common sense, you can understand. Okay, look at here, look at here. Many people are asking prerequisite. I want to give one small shock to all. Okay, I'll give you one small shock to all. JavaScript is UI side. Java is programming language. Look at here, look at here. Please give me 2 minutes. Please give me 2 minutes. I want to give you one small shock to all. I want to give you a small shock to all. Okay, look at here. I'm sharing you share computer sound. Are able to listen this YouTube video sound? Hey, Babu BTech student. Here, not in the Edit Plus. Go to this one is what? Windows. Open the folder. Files saved folder. Open files saved folder. Listen the screen. I mean, YouTube audio. Okay. Okay. Ask me some questions. Then go to view. Clearing those doubts. Click on file name extension. What extension it is showing? Drag the edit and extension. What is showing under self? Open top.
Yes, sir.
Student, listen. Press it tab. What name coming? Check. Student.java, college.java coming like this.
Yes, sir.
Student.java coming student1.
Student 1, sir.
Are you listening that voice? Can you guess what is the age of that student? What the age of that student? Did you listen his voice? Hmm? Okay, press enter. What the dot class file name created background?
Sir, created, sir, dot class file. Student 1 dot Java. Student 1 dot class file.
Student one dot class created a capital S or small s?
Small s, sir. Sorry,
Ah.
capital S, capital S.
Capital S?
Yes, sir.
Then type Java C college.java. College one or college whatever there, run. I'm just playing small video. Listen.
Sir, now compiled, sir.
Compile now? Okay. Delete both the dot class files.
Okay, sir.
Delete only dot class files.
Okay,
Delete
sir.
only dot
Listen
class
to the
files.
voice. Listen to the voice.
And then Java C college.java. Java C college.java, press enter. Two dot class files should created in my system. Check once in your system also should create.
Sir, done, sir.
Done na? Okay. Earlier maybe you didn't save it properly. What you are studying?
Yes, sir.
What are you studying?
In what, sir?
Studying. What is your qualification?
Sir, student only, sir.
Ademma, what are you studying? BTech or what?
Sir, school, sir. Small kid, sir. Sixth
Okay.
class.
Sixth class. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now tell me, Babu, what are the prerequisites to learn Java? What are the prerequisites to learn Java? C plus knowledge required. Yesterday, when I told you, even high school students also can learn. You didn't believe, na? You are smiling. Abba, high school students also can learn. Right? So I told you, high school students also can learn. Now, did you believe? Now, sixth class student is there. Morning 7 o'clock, just 12 plus students are there. So I am famous for, all category, all ages students. Whoever wanted to learn Java, I'll make them to learn, make them masters. He's a sixth class student. So I just want you believe that. That's why, I too don't know that he's a sixth class. Every day he's asking questions. His name is Rohan Kartikeya. Every day asking questions, every day very active in the class. And yesterday he's telling that, sir, unable to solve the problem. So I started his audio and then started speaking. When I listened that voice, me and the entire 11 o'clock batch students, we all shocked. Hey, what is going here? What is his age? People are started surprised. Sir, what is his age, sir? Please ask. Then I asked, what you are studying, Ravi? Okay, that's what, sometimes you will get shocked, I will get shocked. So I'm requesting you all, please focus on learning whatever I am telling. Don't worry about the prerequisite. I will take care of everything. And next, to learn DevOps, people who are planning to learn DevOps, you can learn Core Java or Python, anything you can learn. So somebody is asking what the DevOps prerequisite. So DevOps prerequisite is either Core Java language or Python language. Anyone can learn. So I hope all you people are comfortable with this syllabus flow. We are starting Core Java, Oracle, HTML, and then Core Java, Oracle, HTML in the middle. Now we are planning to learn Advanced Java. In Advanced Java parallel, we are doing Spring. Advanced Java Spring parallel, we are doing Hibernate. While doing these three courses, all about three courses completed, more 2 hours will be free. Then you are learning web services. And then by the time all these courses completed, then after that you are going for what? Java real-time project. So now you need to continue the course something like this. I strongly recommending you have to spend all these courses to complete minimum 3 months. Minimum 3 months you have to spend, no doubt in that, including holidays. I'm telling 3 months, and remaining these courses you have to spend for minimum 5 months, sir. Minimum 5 months, including holidays. I'm talking including holidays. Minimum 5 months, including holidays. Totally 8 months it will take for you. If you are practicing along with us 10 hours for attending the classes, and more 2 hours for practicing, if you give, then now by the time these 8 months completed, you are fully ready, fully loaded gun. Okay, now fully loaded gun, so you can go for the war and fight with the interviewer and get the job. Okay, clear? Oh, wonderful, wonderful. There is another student called junior batch, Sarnesh Goyal. He is a 10th class student. Excellent, Abba. Excellent, Abba. Now generation people are, very intelligent, Abba. Very, talented people. They're taking very dare decisions. We BTech people completed. BTech completed people, we are trying to understand that is not coming, this is not coming, all depending on faculty. But now these people are doing miracles. Okay, I shared one post. On our Facebook page. Okay, I shared one post on Facebook page. So just read his story. Okay, just read his story. You will get motivated. How you are, how the people nowadays, how much hard work they are doing to achieve some success, how much hard work you are doing, what you are doing. This is my Facebook page. Earlier I shared his Facebook group, and this is Facebook page. You can also like it and follow it. Okay, here I shared it. Look at here. Where is he? Okay. So may not be shared here. Now Facebook. Yeah, one more student is there. Oh, one more student there in your batch, 9th class. Oh my God. One more student there, Pankaj Adhana from Uttar Pradesh, is from 9th class. Oh, super, yaar. So really, your parents are great, wonderfully guiding you. Wow, this is me, Nana, my old student. Okay. Okay, somebody is there. I don't want to waste the time now. Now, come to the point now. So go through the group. In that group, you will find this is the order you have to continue. So this is the order you have to continue learning, and please try to focus and try to learn. No. Each one is separate course. Each box is separate course. Advanced Java is one course. As part of Advanced Java, tools will be covered. Design patterns will not be covered. Okay. And one more student is there, Akila Wallala. Okay. The student is from intermediate first year. They are wonderful. They are ready with, rocking to software industry. Wonderful. Yeah, you can start with the core Java directly. That's what I given. This is the entry point. This is the entry point. You can directly start. This is the entry point with core Java, Oracle, and HTML. All you can start your entry with these courses. So I hope all your doubts are clear. I hope all your doubts are clear. Any more doubts? I am teaching you latest version. Okay. So I am teaching you latest version Java 14, including all features. All features. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All features I'm going to use. Okay. Same question again raised. Can I join core and advanced at the same time? I given already, Nana. See, why you want to ask the same question? Where you are thinking? To join advanced Java, prerequisite is object-oriented programming, SQL, HTML. Okay, did I mention anywhere C++ here? Mr. Harshal. Harshal, did I mention any C++ here? No. Right? Okay. Class duration is 2 hours. Class duration is 2 hours, 9 to 11. 9 to 11. For the people who completed payment, you will get the drive link. Okay, now Google Drive link you will get. In that Google Drive link, already complete material is there. You can download and start reading. Yeah, you can core Java, HTML, JavaScript. HTML, JavaScript. It's a parallel to core Java only, na? Malli again, same question asking Mr. Prabhat. I don't know what is the meaning of this diagram, what you are asking. You wanted to ask questions only, not don't want to use your brain. Huh? Sai Sweta, shall we learn JS parallel to core Java? Already given a parallel only, na? This is not parallel. This is an entry point. You can do all these 3 courses parallel. Is my voice not coming to your end? No time change. 9 to 11. 9 to 11. No recorded videos. There is no recorded videos. All classes are live. Once class completed, the day topic is over. Next day, first 5 minutes, I'll give you revision and I'll continue the subject. Next day subject. When class are start? 9 a.m. Prithviraj, every day 9 a.m. Every day 9 a.m. class will start. BTech, Mr. Ankit Tiwari, are you from BTech? Ankit Tiwari, are you BTech student? That's why the reason. BTech students are brainless students. You're accepted or not accepted, getting angry. They're clearly telling na core Java, after oops completed, go and join advanced Java. Clear roadmap I given na. Prerequisite for learning advanced Java, oops. After oops completed, you can continue core Java, advanced Java parallel. Okay. Okay, fine. That's all for the day. And we'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll start core Java, first chapter, introduction to Java. Okay. So what you need to learn, how you need to learn, I have given clarity. Tomorrow we are learning our first chapter, introduction to Java. Any more doubts? I hope I clear all your doubts. Thank you. See you. Tata. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.